Yeah, I mean, that would also most likely include a lot more facilities that the armory probably doesn't, but things that's like white collar business shit.
I don't think, even all the crazy shit that's happening right now, I don't think real estate prices drop that.
I don't think so. But we're talking a room though.
Yeah, and we're talking rental too, so.
It's just a rental room is what it is.
I would think
like, parking probably sucks, right? You know? Just rental.
for all our shit.
Yeah. Now, I'm not saying fuck the armory. I'm saying, like, that's attainable. Is that really as cheap as it sounds to do, like, what we want to do? Because if we tried doing that shit at Rocket Space, it'd probably cost double because they don't do that, I guess. I don't know.
Well, the other Rocket Space has dedicated rooms to rent.
Yeah.
But they're all booked up. And there was another studio.
Like, seriously, like, what we're talking about is having an office so we just, like, do all our things. So it doesn't necessarily have to be at the armory. We can still do the whole visual tech thing. But, like, how much would it cost us to do it the equivalent to the armory? Maybe more, maybe less, you know? I don't know if that's something that Sam broached on, but that's what it is. Those are his competitors as far as I'm
But basically, we have to figure out how to play music.
Right.
Which we did, if you'll realize that.
Yeah.
Like a lifetime ago.
Seriously, dude. And that isn't even like, wanna go down? Yeah. It really does. I mean, it was over 10 years ago. Yep. Same.